The buying mistake is treating every window cleaner like the same tool. That leaves you fighting grease, outdoor reach, or unnecessary upkeep with the wrong format. Choose by mess, location, routine, and replacement burden. 4 task fit option. Pick 1. Glass cleaner by invisible glass. Picture muddy patio doors or old tape marks beside a finished sill. I'd choose this when control matters because the cleaner doesn't drip while you're working. It's also positioned for grime, bird droppings, mud, and adhesive residue. That makes it more focused than a general wipe for light fingerprints. But the scent can feel strong, which matters during longer indoor cleaning sessions. So I wouldn't choose it for someone especially sensitive to pronounced cleaning product smells. Skip it if your windows mainly need quick dusting, because its stuck-on mess roll would be unnecessary. For task fit option. Pick 2. Cinch Glass Cleaner by Spick & Span. This is the kitchen specialist rather than the general window pick. I'd use it where cooking leaves greasy splatters across cooktop, oven, or microwave glass. Its glass and multi-surface roots make grease removal the meaningful reason to choose it. So the fit is strongest for regular home cooks, not someone chasing occasional fingerprints. The catch is familiar. Its scent may feel strong to some users. I wouldn't make it my default if fragrance decides which cleaning products stay in your cabinet. Skip it when grease isn't the problem, because another format may demand less product and effort. For task fit option. Pick 3. Perfect Glass Cleaner by Hopes. I'd pick this when finishing quickly matters more than stretching every ounce. It evaporates quickly, which can reduce follow-up buffing and leave less streaking to chase. That makes sense for frequent touch-ups or glass you want finished without a long polishing routine. But convenience carries the cost trade-off because it's more expensive per ounce than some alternatives. There's also a method constrained around devices. Spray the cleaner onto your cloth, not directly onto the device. I wouldn't choose it for a cost-first household. Skip it if careful application feels fussier than the time saved during finishing. For task fit option. Pick 4. Pre-moistened Glass Wipes by Windex. These belong where a spray bottle and separate cloth become annoying. I'd keep them in a car or small cleanup kit for fingerprints and pet smudges. Their compact, pre-moistened format reduces loose supplies and makes quick glass cleanup more practical away from your cabinet. But every cleanup consumes a disposable wipe, so the upkeep is less reusable than a cloth system. They're also not recommended for granite or marble, which limits mixed surface use. I wouldn't buy them for whole home window sessions. Skip them if you want reusable supplies or frequently clean glass beside those stone surfaces. For task fit option. Pick 5. Window Cleaning Kit by eCloth. The appeal is a reusable routine built around plain water. I'd choose it for regular indoor cleaning when storing spray bottles feels unnecessary. The kit has 2 microfiber cloths with separate jobs. Waffle weave removes dirt, while smooth weave polishes the glass. That division keeps the routine straightforward, but the cloths demand active grooming while you work. You'll need to turn, rinse, and wring them as dirt builds up. Several cloths may also be needed across many windows. I wouldn't pick this for a non-stop whole house session. Skip it if frequent rinsing sounds more tedious than using cleaner. For task fit option. Pick 6. Outdoor all-in-one glass and window cleaner tool starter kit by Windex. This solves the awkward exterior window job rather than everyday indoor cleaning. I'd pick it for windows roughly 10 to 11 feet high when you want to work from ground level. Its 4-foot pole extends reach, but your own height still affects what you can access. The process also requires a garden hose because you dampen the window and pad, then rinse afterward. Its pad needs replacement after about 20 uses, and air-dried windows may retain some streaking. I wouldn't buy it without easy hose access. Skip it if a fully streak-free finish is essential. Choose invisible glass for stuck-on grime, cinch for kitchen grease, and hopes for faster finishing. Windex wipes favor portability, eCloth favors reuse, and the outdoor kit favors reach. Before buying, match the format to your mess, scent tolerance, storage, and cleaning routine. For outdoor work, confirm hose access and reachable height. Prices and replacement pads change, so check before you buy. I'd default to the cleaner matching your hardest recurring mess, not the biggest kit. Switch to wipes for portability, cloths for reuse, or the pole for outdoor reach. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.